Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to backup WeChat mobile contact list. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so I'm on this reputable website known as handydio.com, and to backup WeChat data you just have to use the WeChat's PC application or Mac desktop app to store logs on computer for device to device transfer only. So for chat history, files, contacts or moments, request personal data backup files, this works for EU and US only. And for chat history and files, use third-party desktop apps. So first of all, you have to go to the official website of WeChat and download the application for your Windows or Mac desktop computer, and then just open that desktop app and scan with your WeChat phone app to log in. So just scan the barcode and log in. Once you have logged in, find the menu icon in the bottom left corner, click backup and restore. Choose backup on Mac to store the files within the desktop app on your computer, and then take out your phone and follow the on-screen guidance to backup all or select a specific chat records that you want to save. This process will take you anywhere from a few minutes to hours depending on how much data your chat logs have, image files, large attachments. Keep both the computer and phone apps open the entire time, or else the backup process will pause. And that's about it. The data is now stored on your desktop WeChat, and when you need to restore this data to your new phone or mobile device, just log in into the desktop app, go into backup and restore, and choose restore on phone like this. And yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. On iOS, just open your iOS or Android WeChat app, go to Me settings, more settings, export personal data, and you'll meet one of these scenarios. Just go along with it. There will be some simple steps on the screen that you have to follow, and that's about it guys. That's how you do it. If you found this video to be somewhat helpful guys, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.